Today's video is about whether artificial intelligence has changed the role of teachers forever. Beyond the obvious need to suddenly educate students about artificial intelligence in terms of what it is, how to use it, and how it may impact their lives in a positive and negative way going forward, artificial intelligence has also provided students with an abundance of knowledge that is able to be accessed immediately. Students can now go beyond the traditional Google search that I had when I was growing up. They can ask an AI about any event in the history of the human world, or indeed the history of the universe, and receive a detailed explanation on what happened, and can discuss this in any language they like. They can ask questions about the response. They can even debate their perspective with the AI. They can learn how to make anything, how to pretty much do anything, all at the click of a button and with their keyboard or even their phone by their side. It's pretty easy, and I think it's pretty amazing and pretty exciting. But with this sudden abundance of knowledge that is available to students every day and every minute of every day, does this change the role of teachers? Traditionally, teachers were the ones who passed on the knowledge. They were the ones who told students what they needed to know and actually taught it to them. Well, maybe now, because students can find out a lot of this information themselves and are capable of doing so, particularly at a high school level, maybe our role as teachers has changed somewhat and needs to focus more on people skills and how students can use critical thinking and people skills to navigate their way through the complex AI-heavy world. How can they work out what is a strong AI output, what is not a strong AI output, and how can they then change that AI output to make it more useful for their needs? How can they judge human behavior in an increasingly tech-dominated world? These are just some of the things that we may need to think about as teachers now that AI has become such a big part of our lives, and the fact that it is providing our students with an abundance of knowledge that they had never had access to before. I want you, yes you, to think about how AI has changed your role as a teacher every day, and maybe you can think about what you can do differently to better prepare your students for the present and future with AI. Have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.